Kajala Megalaya Kakar Artare Urisao Arja Arpo Hadukapor Arbaje Mensingi Kadon Prabu Prangut Kibu Thamayo COVID-19 Shispa Lai Puingut Kiblakot no but Iwe Ibaklat Ko Office DHS Kapinte Benakini Ki Prabu Prangut Kibu Thamayo COVID-19 Mendagasngi Sanpongut Kidena East Khas Hills District Hakabai Iwe Dena Ka Armed Force but Paramilitary Force Kat Prangut Ki Highest Contact Iwe Isari Case Kandaingut na Home Guard Hinreungut na Jayao Cluster Iwe na Laban, Sangut na Badan Riting, Iwe na Maulay Modat Baki, Iwe na Maulay Mauro, Iwe na Maulay Motsiar, Iwe na Maulay Nong Pedeng, Iwe na Mauprem, Langut na Katanat Pulit, Iwe na Rilbong Cluster. Arpenreungut Kide na West Giant Hills District, Hakababaro, Arpenreungut Kide ki highest contact, Shipongut na West Garo Hills District, Kibede ki highest contact, Iwe na Riboy District, Naka Armed Force but Paramilitary Force, but Iwe Isari Case na East Giant Hills District. Nagishispa Alai Puingut ki Pokoj Mentagasngi, Prapenreungut Kide na East Khas Hills District, Karwengut na Southwest Garo Hills District, Karwengut na Southwest Khas Hills District, Hinyongut na Riboy District, Hinreungut na North Garo Hills, Sangut na East Jantia Hills, Saungut na West Garo Hills, but Iwe na West Jantia Hills District. Ibaklat Mentagasngi Ide na East Khas Hills District. Dakajing Athamai ki Prapu Prangut, Kajing Kot ki Shispa Lai Puingut, but Kajing Klat no Iwe, Kajala Megalaya had a Bapinmi Yakanika Kubor, Kada Nyo Hajar, Nyo Spa, Nyo Puitali ki positive case, Ar Hajar South Spa Lai Pasautali ki active case, San Hajar Ar Spa Nyo Pulaitali ki recovered case, Ban Rew Pasaungut ki Blaklat no. Nagini ki Ar Hajar South Spa Lai Pasautali ki active case, Ka East Khas Hills District Ranshia Hajar Rew Spa Khandai Khandaitali, Hakaba Arpinyongut Kidena ka Armed Force but Paramilitary Force, but Shia Hajar Rew Spa Nyo Pu Arngut ki Rew Paidba. Ka West Khas Hills District Rewtali ki active case, Southwest Khasi Hills Arpusan, Riboy District Lai Spa Arpusan, Hakaba South Khandaingut Kidena ka Armed Force but Paramilitary Force, but Ar Spa Nyo Pu Rewngut ki Rew Paidba. West Giant Hills District Prapuitali ki active case, East Giant Hills Arpu R, West Garo Hills Shispa Nyo Pu Phara, Hakaba Lai Pinyongut Kidena ka Armed Force but Paramilitary Force, but Shispa South Puingut ki Rew Paidba. Ka Southwest Garo Hills District Arpulaitali ki active case, South Garo Hills Lai Pusan, Hakaba Iwe Dena ka Armed Force but Paramilitary Force, but Lai Pusangut ki Rew Paidba. Ka East Garo Hills District Arpotali ki active case, but ka North Garo Hills Arpotali ki active case.